Here's how to fix sorry you have been blocked on any website. Now, if you're on a phone or a computer and you try to access a specific website, but it keeps popping up with the error message that you have been blocked, I'll walk you through the entire process to fix that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, it might look something like this. It says, sorry, you have been blocked. Why have I been blocked? What can I do to resolve this? Most of the time, if you see this, it is due to Cloudflare. So you can see at the very bottom left, it says Cloudflare Ray ID and your IP address. So this is a culprit oftentimes for Cloudflare websites that are using Cloudflare, and it will block your specific IP address. There are a couple things you can do to fix that. The first thing you want to do is you want to switch what you're using for internet. If you're on a phone, just swipe down from the top right and toggle off Wi-Fi. So try to basically, if you're on Wi-Fi, go over to your cell signal and try that website again, or vice versa. Basically just switch your internet connection to see if that helps it and fixes it. Because oftentimes it could be the IP address that's associated with your internet service provider or your business or your work or whatever, and it just doesn't like that. Now, another thing we'll do is head into your settings. We'll scroll down here and you can see basically there it is, Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi, and on here, if you have a different network, basically just switch over to a different network so that ultimately you can try to see if that one will work instead of your current Wi-Fi. Again, a lot of times businesses with firewalls or some kind of protections associated with those might be blocked or flagged for Cloudflare. Now, another thing that we'll do is we will go back here, tap on General, and then let's scroll down to VPN and device management. Now, you want to see if essentially you have a VPN turned on. If you tap on VPN and there's a VPN on there and it's turned on, I recommend disabling that, turning that off. Again, this is another thing that could cause Cloudflare to flag your IP address and essentially block you from accessing that specific website. Now, if you go through these steps, essentially you've turned off your VPN, you switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data. One of the things that you can always do is just go back here, tap on shutdown and restart your phone. This will restart everything and refresh your internet connection with a new IP address. And hopefully that will work. If you go through all of those steps and it still doesn't work on that device, try just checking a different device that's nearby. Maybe if you're on your phone, try a computer, or if you're on a computer, try your phone and see if you can access that website. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.